Hello dear viewers, today I will show you that's how you can get your follow and subscriber. Here there are followlike.net, that's here is earn coins, SEO keyword links, customer actions and competitions and prizes, blogger exchange, daily motions exchange, Diogo exchange, Facebook, also here lots of social media, YouTube, WordPress, Vimo, Tumblr, traffic, Telegram, lots of. Okay, so you can earn, how you can earn your coin here, and by earning your coin you can exchange to getting that links and your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest, many things. You have to increase your subscriber, increase your followers, increase your pages views. Okay, how we can earn? First time you have to earn here. Here is a 171 my coin. I will show you how you can do that. So go here. First time you have to go earn coins, and then which part you want to earn. So for that reasons, easily I earn social networking. Social networking, there's a lots of Ask FM services, Facebook, Instagram, Revenation services, SoundCloud services, Tumblr, Blogger, WordPress, Twitter, Daily Missions, Vimo, VK, YouTube, OKRU, Twitch, TikTok, Telegram. So here we can go Facebook services. Here Facebook custom like and follows. Okay, Facebook will set likes. Okay, if you go first time Facebook fan page likes. Okay, we can go there. This page will be show on your mobile or desktop. Just you have to must open your, remember you have to must open your Facebook. I already opened my Facebook here. So for the reasons, I view this, I click here for 35 coins. Here is the page. Okay, like the page. So here my coin already I earned 171 coins. So I view this, and where the page is, here is it. I like this. Okay, here they're confirming like pages. Okay, this liked. Okay, and now you have to close this and confirm. Just click in confirm button. Whenever you click confirm button, they will tell you success, you will like follow, you got 35.2 coins. Okay, and here is my 171. I refresh it, it will be increase. Okay, here 206 coin. Okay, 206 coin. So how you can increase your Facebook or Twitter or YouTube. So let's talk about that. So let's talk about and watch about how you can increase your viewer, subscriber, follower. So I here show you in YouTube, that's how I can increasing my YouTube subscriber, viewer and also the watch hour. I already edit here exchanges, that's a program positive tech YouTube channel view. Here you can view here, and seller rank is 0, balance 50 coins, in progress, completed. So it's not completed, it's just working. Approval actions will appear here. There is something to approve or deny. So here is my exchanges. So I want to create a new exchange for increasing my YouTube subscriber, viewer and watch hour. Okay, so let's go. Click here my exchange. We are creating another advertise in followlike.net. So whenever you come add a custom exchange, we are clicking add custom exchange. What category the custom exchange? Select which social media. Here is social media, and select what type is it. You click here Facebook, Reddit, Instagram, Twitter, many things is here. We are selecting YouTube. Custom exchange URL, a descriptive title, I here click channel. I here write custom URL exchanges. Here is my channel. Here I select it and paste here. How many coins we will pay? I will pay 50. How long should like them? How long should I take them? Okay, 5 minutes. How many do we want to perform? Just one. Here 50. Add task. Add successfully. Here 2 tasks I completed. I have $200, but now I have $106. Okay, 106 coin. So by that way you can increase your subscriber, your watch time, your everything's in YouTube. And also you can create Instagram, you can create Twitter, Facebook, Tumblr, many things are you here come, and you can earn also. So by this way you can earn some money also. So subscribe monthly basis deal, buy and coins premium tracking, my affiliate menu. So how you can do that, and how you can earn some money by exchanging coin. Here also there is some part, but by that way you can also earn some money. I will show you step by step. Just subscribe my channel and stay with me. I will show you. So I hope this video will help you to increase your followers, subscriber, watch time, and many things. And if you have some support, or you have get some help, just subscribe and share your my YouTube channel. Don't hesitate. If any questions, please message me in the comments. I will touch with all of you, my friends. Thank you very much for watching my videos.